The Axminster Trade Cyclone Extractors offers you the highest filtration performance you can get for almost any workshop application. Their strong tubular steel frame chassis give the machine strength and support. Whilst the large inlet port and adapter allow to connect the extractor to multiple dust outlets. Its sophisticated cyclone separation system removes 99.97% of the waste from the airstream. The waste is then collected in the 168-litre bin, which is easy to empty. Simply press down the large handle and wheel the bin out on its own castors. There is also an easy visual display line to show you when the bin is full, helping to keep your machine working efficiently. Attention to detail has not been spared on these machines. Removing the bin is a smooth manoeuvre due to the brass slides fitted to the spring mechanisms. HEPA 13 rated filters offer the best possible air filtration. Aluminium mesh reduce any accidental impact damage. Deep pleats give even more filtering surface area over standard bags. The filter cleaning paddles work to shift most of the dust which collects in the pleats. A performance indicating manometer allows you to quickly check the system's performance. There is a convenient switch location including remote control. Sturdy castors also aid for easy manoeuvrability around the workshop. Each model has a compact design suited to almost any workshop and is supplied with Axminster's 3-year warranty, allowing you to buy with confidence.